Hi, this is Helen Ryan. Welcome to Progressive Hypnosis. I invite you to come on this journey with me to fall fast asleep as quickly as you can imagine. So let's begin right away by inviting relaxation into the body and the mind. In a place where you feel safe and want to spend your night's sleep, let your eyelids close softly over the eyes, shutting out the external world and sending a sleep cue to your unconscious mind that you are ready to switch off for the day and sleep. Take a breath in and exhale slowly, and feel the back, the buttocks and the legs let go and sink down into the surface beneath you. You are fully supported. Inhale and exhale. Separate yourself from the day that has been, releasing the mind and the body from all conscious thought now. Inhale and exhale. Lift the shoulders and drop them. Turn the head from side to side. Feel the wonderful release in all of those muscles. Inhale, exhale. Feel the back soften, descending further down into the surface below. Inhale and exhale. Let the head go. Feel the neck releasing and settling so comfortably down into the pillow. Inhale and exhale. Allow any remaining tension to release. The face softening, relaxing the forehead, the jaw, the teeth, and the tongue. Let go of any and all remaining heaviness in the body and the mind. Take a moment to enjoy the pleasant sensation of the whole body's release. And the breathing has slowed, and it continues to relax you further and deeper as you feel yourself comfortably being pulled further and further away from the conscious into the unconscious world of soothing and restful sleep. And you know, in this moment, it is okay to forget all about everything. There is no need to hold on to anything. You may take this time to simply disappear and become invisible to old unhelpful thoughts and stresses and other people's needs. This is your time. giving yourself permission to truly surrender into this moment, to disappear into deep rest, into calm and loving peace within you. Love flows through you. It fills your mind, floats down through the face, into the cheeks, the lips, and behind the eyes. Love. Love frees you. Love soothes you. Love strengthens you. And love releases you. Love expands through you like moonbeams and a million sparkling stars, touching every cell in your body, from the toes to the fingertips, nurturing them all, healing them. Notice the pleasant sensation of peace and tranquility that softly tingles in the body as it surrenders to the powerful release that love is providing. Relaxing you more and more as that beautiful, loving warmth ebbs and flows through you. Feel its restful waves moving through you like swaying gently on a hammock in the sun, or rocking peacefully like a soothed and contented baby, free from everything. Drifting and floating. Bask in the warmth and love and relax into sleep. Surrender into this deeply relaxing state, drifting into the warmth of welcome sleep. Sleep is beckoning you. It is pulling you into it, whispering your name, promising you a sanctuary, an oasis of sleep's splendid dreams. Follow sleep's gentle call now, and float yourself into the abyss and sleep. Warm, soothing, healing, re-energizing, love-filled sleep. It's all there for you. Just let yourself go. Leave everything behind for now and heal in sleep. Disappear into you. It's your gift to yourself. You deserve it. Go now. Go softly. Go quickly or go fast. Sleep now. Sleep.